Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to the Trick or Treat edition of the Drop Bear fixed version of this. Let's go ahead and check out what is inside the box and why should you consider getting this for yourself. So this is the Trick or Treat edition, and it comes with the Lego stuff you always get with Kizer, but this one says Trick or Treat on it. And on the other side there's the smiley face. And this is great for you to get strapped on, and then you can go ahead and put this on your belt and unstrap it whenever you want to do with this. It actually works wonders for you. Now the next thing about this is to take it out. This has a safety added to this. When you go ahead and press it, you would take it out very easy. And what I mean by safety, you can see over here, it doesn't right away goes into the steel area, so you don't accidentally are going to cut yourself if you decide to grab it from the wrong side. It's also very easy for you to take it out. Just press here, it gets out and it gets in. Very simple. So this is the added addition to this that obviously you might want or you might not like it. If you don't want this added piece on the bottom, get a Phillips screwdriver and just take it out. This knife is a really nice Drop Bear edition of it, and it comes in this awesome box that you can use for yourself. And the box on the other side looks exactly like this. Putting this away, let's check out the actual knife. Inspection visual. Visual inspection has been done. This knife is just awesome. Now, the best part about this is that this is a fixed blade knife. You can see how it actually looks like, and it says Trick or Treat on this. On the other side, there is the smiley face. Talking about smiley face, there's the bigger smiley face on this side over here, and on the other side there is the same exact thing going just as well, and you can feel it. This is not actual print on the knife. This is carved right out of this all together. You can see it in the eyes, you can see it in the face, and you can see the same exact thing on the other side of this as well. Plus it also has this thing for you that you can go ahead and use to grab it and put this anywhere you actually like. Grabbing, putting it away, whatever you want to do. Now this thing is also very handy, and it is super slim. You can see over here, jagged edge at the top, really nice looking. Drop Bear is one of my favorite knives, and the fixed edition is no exception to that. It is definitely a really nice knife for you to get. The looks of it is very cool, and above all, you have to understand that once this thing gets sold out, you're just never going to get this knife again. This edition is so rare, so unusual, that it means trick or treating. If you're going to be trick or treating with this knife, it's not going to be here anymore, because this version, this edition of it, is specifically made for the year 2025. Once it's sold out, you're never going to get your hands on anything like it again. And it's going to get sold out pretty quick. Last year's edition got sold out extremely quick. And it says Trick or Treat over here. And of course, the other sign on this as well. Now, there is no hot locations for you. As you can see, I'm grabbing it. It feels good, solid in the hand, easy size. It also has nice weight ratio to this. As you can see, really good ratio when it comes to the weight. It is very easy to use. It is a really nice looking knife. And for those of you who are thinking about on all the fence, thinking, should I get this? Should I get a different one? Well, you have to understand one thing. This is the box. That is the box that you get when you buy this knife. And the smiley face is it. This is the selling point of this knife. It really is. There is the smiley face on this side, and it says Kizer, and we have this awesome, beautiful box that it comes with. So you might be, oh, this is interesting. Well, it also glows in the dark. No, it doesn't. But this does. But I'm just showing you here how this thing looks so good. And if you're thinking about getting this thing, it is definitely the knife for you to discover, to get, because this knife is just going to be so cool in your collection. So for those of you who are on the fence thinking, well, this knife is not what I'm exactly looking for, well, maybe it is, maybe it's not. But above all, I like it. I really like the way it's designed. I really like that it's different. And sometimes in your collection, you want a knife that's a little different. For those of you who are really like fixed knives or drop bear knives, this is a different edition. It's definitely something you would probably consider getting somebody as a gift because it just looks just different than every single knife out there. I like the orange handle and I like the smiley face on this, like trick-or-treating. Boo! You can see the face, and now you cannot actually see it. Now, the other thing about this is that it is just built so good. The whole entire thing is engineered to perfection. The size, the handle, the look, the whole entire groove right at the top over here. It just makes it so easy and fun for you to use. So yes, this is a good knife for you to get, and build quality is top notch, almost 10 out of 10 we're talking about. Now, the looks of it, this is a little controversial because some people don't like the smiley face on it, but if you do, then this is definitely a 10 out of 10 in that state as well. But when it comes to function and everything else, this is definitely a 10 out of 10 too. So definitely get yours before this thing gets sold out, because this thing is just something unique, unusual, and you can't get it anywhere else.